What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building, baby. We're here in Jacksonville, Florida at Jacksonville Harley Davidson, and we're doing a tuner on my bike because my bike needed to be tuned. I did change the S&S manifold into it, and the bike was running really rich, so I could smell the gas on it and everything. So it's gonna be tuned right here in Jacksonville Harley Davidson. First time I'm here. It's exactly 2-hour ride from my house in Georgia, straight down 95, 2 hours, and exactly right off the exit. And they just took the bike right now, and it's about a 4 to 5 hour wait. So I have nothing to do, just wait here and for the bike and just snoop around the dealership until it's done, and then we'll go from there. All right, they just took the bike in. I gave him the license number, and we're gonna go from there. So all we gotta do is just wait and see, till it's done, so it could run right for Daytona. So don't forget, I will be in Daytona March 5th at Destination Daytona at KROME WERKS from 1 to 3. All right, come check me out. All right, guys, they do have a lot of bikes here, good inventory, a lot of road glides. They had definitely over here a couple of street glides, live wire, Pan Americas. Good selection of bikes. Pretty nice dealership. They got a lot of clothes and stuff like that, so I was just probably gonna check it out and see where they are. All right, guys, it is about 3:30 in the afternoon. It took a long time to do the tuning on this bike and also to get the numbers right. And I know you all want to know, what are the numbers? What are the numbers? Well, here is the chart right here. I'm going to show you guys. I don't know if it's on backwards or not, but let me turn the camera around. All right, sorry for the wind, but here are the numbers of the bike. So we're doing a max power of 119 and a max torque 135.47. It is running amazing. Good dyno jet, really, really nice. Okay, so I want to thank Jacksonville Harley Davidson for hooking it up, doing a real good job with the dyno tune. They're the only people that have the dyno tune machine close to me, and I live all the way in Savannah, so I gotta drive 2 hours, but they did a great job. It's well worth coming here. There was a problem with some of the stuff that I had on the bike. They had to change some springs and stuff like that. I will put it down here, right here, of what are the things that they did do to the bike so they could make it run correctly. Something else was on there that I had to pay extra, but you know, it was worth doing it, getting it done. See, the extra stuff that the bike needed for it to be able to run really good. It had to do something with the clutch. For it won't be able to burn the clutch, I had to add those extra springs on there. So it's all worth it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. And I'm sorry I couldn't get in the dyno area. It's really loud in there and they weren't really letting anybody in. Okay, so like I said, subscribe, guys. I'm almost close to 5,000 subscribers. Few more subscribers before Daytona. Don't forget, Daytona, March 5th at the KROME WERKS rig in Destination Daytona from 1 to 3. All right, see you guys then. See you Sunday.